Good day everyone, I'm Kim Shindy Cavilla from grade 11 STEM Wisdom, and we were gonna solve the equation proved by mathematical induction. So the given equation is 4 plus 16 plus 64 plus 4 raised to n equals negative 4 plus 4 raised to n plus 1 over 3. So first step is n equals 1. So papalitan natin lahat ng n ng 1. So magiging 4 raised to 1 equals negative 4 plus 4 raised to n raised to 1 plus 1 over 3. So isosolve natin tong exponent ng 4. So magiging 4 equals negative 4 plus 4 raised to 2 over 3. So next naman isosolve natin tong 4 squared. So magiging 4 equals negative 4 plus 16 over 3. So, next is, ima-minus natin tong negative 4 sa 16 since magkaiba sila ng sign. So, magiging 4 equals 12 over 3. So, i-divide muna natin tong 12 over 3. So, magiging 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. So, it's true that the n equals 1 is the same. Next naman is n equals k. So, papalitan natin lahat ng n ng k. So, copy muna natin tong equation. So, magiging 4 plus 16 plus 64 plus 4 plus k equals negative 4 plus 4 raised to k plus 1 over 3. That's the hypothesis. The next step is n equals k plus 1. So, we assume that 4. So, papalitan muna natin ng k plus 1 lahat ng n. So, magiging 4 plus 16 plus 64 plus 4 raised to k plus 1 equals negative 4 plus 4 raised to k plus 1 plus 1 over 3. So, we assume that negative 4 plus 4 k plus 1 over 3 plus 4k plus 1. So, isolve muna natin tong solve muna natin to. So, magiging negative 4 plus 4k plus 2 over 3. So, next step naman solve natin tong equation. So, next is negative 4 plus 4k plus 1 plus 4k plus 1 over 3. So, i-simplify natin to. So, magiging negative 4 plus 4k raised to k plus 2 over 3. So, that we prove that the equation is true for all integers n.